Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the Scan Tool Network video. In this video we're going to take a look at the top 3 diagnostic tools for Aston Martin vehicles in 2022 and 2023. We've got 3 tools on display here. Now I'm going to put links to all of these tools in the description below this video. Please use those links if you are interested in any of these tools, because they will take you to the genuine and official products. Unfortunately, fakes and clones do exist. They can damage your vehicle and they can damage your instrument cluster on your Aston Martin. So please use the links if you want to go for the genuine and official products. Now hopefully by the end of this video you will have a better idea about which of these tools is going to be best for your needs based on what the tools can offer. We've only got 3 tools here. Unfortunately, normally on these type of videos we like to put 5 tools on the table, but with Aston Martin it's quite difficult to get any tools which are really aimed at the DIY market. So this is the best we can come up with, unfortunately, at the moment, but they are very good tools, so we'll run through them and see. You have a look and see which one's going to be best for your needs. So we're starting with the ICARSoft tool. This is the ICARSoft I820 kit. Now this is as basic as they come. It's the cheapest tool here. It only covers the engine system. So if you've got an engine fault, like a check engine light or an emissions fault or message on the dashboard of your Aston Martin, then this is the tool for you. This is the tool that will allow you to diagnose and reset that fault code and indeed the warning light. You will probably need to do some sort of repair, like change a sensor or something, but that's generally quite easy to do. So this is the tool you need if you are looking to diagnose something basic in the engine system. You'll also get live engine data as well with this tool. So that's the ICARSoft I820. We then come to the Foxwell NT530 kit. This is more advanced. This tool covers more systems within the vehicle. So it'll cover your engines, it'll cover the ABS system or the traction control system, the airbag system, the transmission system. So if you do have any faults in any of those systems and any warning lights, it will allow you to diagnose and reset those as well. This will also allow you to do service reset. So if you've got a service message on the dashboard, it'll allow you to do a service reset or a maintenance or interval message as well. This is probably the most recommended tool, I would say, if you do have an Aston Martin, because it does pack quite a powerful punch for the amount of money that you pay for the tool based on the car that you're actually putting it onto. The Aston Martin software for anything other than engine is quite difficult to come by, so this tool does a very good job of that. And then we move on to the Foxwell NT680 Pro kit. Now, actually speaking, the software on the 680 Pro kit will give you the same level of coverage for your Aston Martin as this kit will here. Well, the difference with this kit is that this is a multi-manufacturer kit. So although it does a lot of systems and some functions on Aston Martin, this tool will do Aston Martin and all other manufacturers as well, all over the world. So it'll do Chinese manufacturers, it'll do European manufacturers, Asian like Japanese, Korean, American models as well, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Chevrolet, etc. And obviously all of the Europeans like Mercedes, Porsche, BMW, Audi, VW, Seat, Skoda, etc. So those are the 3 main tools. Which tool would I choose if I was going to buy one? Well, I would honestly go between these 2 here. Nothing against this tool. This is a good tool if you do have an engine fault, but honestly you're halfway there to getting this tool, which covers a lot more systems, and you know, you may well only have an engine warning that you need to reset, but who's to say that something else isn't going to happen in the future? So it would save you from buying that tool and then this tool. Just go straight in for this one. That being said, if you have an Aston Martin and you also have a few other vehicles in your family or your fleet, or you need to look after, then this is probably the tool for you, because this covers your Aston Martin and other high-end manufacturers and every other day general cars as well. So those are the 3 tools we recommend. I'd personally put my money into one of these 2 tools depending on what my circumstances were. But what I would say is please do use the links in the description, because those links will take you to the genuine and official products. Unfortunately, fakes and clones do exist, and they're not worth it because they can cause damage to your vehicle, and they won't carry out a set procedure as the genuine tools will. So great. I hope you've taken something from this, and if you have, well, great. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.